The Adi Shankaracharya Sharada Lakshmi Nrasimha Peetham, established by Jagadguru Adi Shankaracharya, is at Hariharapura on the banks of river Tunga in Chikmagaluru district, Karnataka. With a history of about 1200 years, it houses shrines for Lord Lakshmi Narasimha Swami, worshipped by the revered sage Agastya, and Mother Sharadamba, installed by Sri Adi Shankaracharya. Srimad Jagadguru Shankaracharya Sri Swayam Prakasha Sri Sachitananda Saraswati Mahaswamiji has made a divine resolve to reconstruct this grand temple in a traditional stone structure. And with his blessings and guidance, the temple is now being rebuilt and the work is in progress. The Bhumi Puja of this divine work was performed by Sri Swamiji on the 10th of December 2010. The unique Yantra Raja Vajrastamba Pratishtha was performed by His Holiness on Akshaya Tritiya Day, May 5th, 2011. This is a very unique temple and the first of its kind, which will benefit the entire humanity.
Our Tantra Shastra says, Yantra is an instrument, a machine, a storehouse or powerhouse of divine. It's a storehouse of divine power, which contains the vast or enormous ocean of consciousness of the divine power. Rather it contains, our Tantra Shastra says, rather it contains in itself, in a controlled form, the uncontrollable power of the deity. So, according to our Tantra Shastra, the yantra leads one to the direct perception of the divine form. That is why our Tantra Shastra has given maximum importance to this yantra worship. Our Tantra Shastra says the amount of divine power that stores in this type of unique yantram is equal to amount of divine power that stores in 1 lakh images, God images, or 1 lakh pratimas. It says the amount of divine power stored in this type of unique yantram is equal to the amount of divine power that stores in 1 lakh pratimas, 1 lakh devata bimbas, 1 lakh God images. That is what Tantra Shastra says.
We are pleased to present to devotees a projected walkthrough of this temple under reconstruction. We enter the temple through the Rajagopuram on the west side. In the center of the temple is the grand shrine of Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami. To last for many generations, the shrines of Sri Sharada, Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami, and Sri Adi Shankara are being constructed with special stones. The Sharadamba temple will be rebuilt in the same spot as was originally present. The shrines of Sri Adi Shankara, Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami, and Mother Sharadamba are positioned according to a Vastu triangle. This has 2 levels, each with a Garbhagriha and an Ardha Mandapa. The bottom level Garbhagriha will have the Vajra Yantra Stambha. On top of the Vajra Yantra Stambha, in the first floor, sits the idol of Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami, and above this level the Gopura Vimanam. According to Tantra Shastra, Such a yantra is capable of storing the cosmic power of over 1 lakh bimbas or idols. All the walls of the temple, both inside and outside, are to be adorned with beautiful sculptures of Gajalakshmi, Yali, elephants, and intricately carved pillars. This beautiful temple has been designed as per the dictates of our Shastras by reputed temple sthapatis under the constant guidance of His Holiness. The Agni Purana says that participating in temple construction is a very noble task. He who participates in the divine work of building temples will have sins of thousands of births wiped out, and generations of his family are blessed. We invite all to come, join, and participate generously in this grand and noble task, and be the recipient of the abundant blessings and grace of the Supreme Lord and the Guru. May Lord Yantra Raja Vajrastambaja Lakshmi Narasimha Swami, with his infinite grace, utmost compassion and love, bestow his blessings on all the devotees.